Welcome to Everything Computerized. I am CA, and in this video I will be going to show you how to install VirtualBox for running virtual machine on Windows 10. So watch this video till end and let's get started. Before getting started, let's first understand what a virtual machine or a VM is and what does VirtualBox do. So basically, a VM or a virtual machine is an emulator of a computer system running on a real computer. They are based on computer architectures and provide functionalities of a real computer hardware as if it was an individual computer. They are used for testing and implementing several things so that a real system is not sacrificed. Suppose you want to test out something and you don't want to use your main computer, then you can do it on a VM. If you are using Windows 10 and you want to use a different operating system without installing on your main system, then you can use it in a virtual machine. On the other side, VirtualBox is a software that implements virtual machines. We can use VirtualBox to run a virtual machine. So enough of theories, let's dive into the installation. So let's first download the executable for VirtualBox. Open a web browser and search for VirtualBox. Open the link which heads to www.virtualbox.org. In the home page of VirtualBox, on the left side you'll see that there are several links. So click on Downloads and you will head on to this page. One thing that you have to note at this point is that the latest version of VirtualBox can run only on 64-bit Windows. So if you are running a 32-bit version of Windows, then you have to use an older version of VirtualBox. If you don't know what bit your operating system is, then you can open this PC, right click on the blank side and then click on Properties. Under System, you will get a note of your processor, your RAM and your system type. So in system type, the bit of your operating system and your processor will be noted. So in my case, I have a 64-bit operating system along with a 64-bit processor. So if you are having a 64-bit operating system, then only you will be able to run the latest version of VirtualBox. I'll be showing how to download the 32-bit version of VirtualBox later in this video. If you are having a 64-bit operating system, then you can download the latest version of VirtualBox. So under VirtualBox binaries and under VirtualBox platform packages, you have to click on Windows hosts, and once you click on it, your download will start. Now let's download VirtualBox for 32-bit version of Windows. So for that, click on VirtualBox 5.2 builds and then you'll land on this page. Now click on Windows hosts under VirtualBox 5.2.44 and your download will start. One more important thing to note is that to be able to run VirtualBox properly on your system, you need to have at least 4 GB of RAM. As I have already downloaded VirtualBox previously, so I'll not download it again. So once you have your VirtualBox downloaded, open the Downloads folder and then double click on the executable to run it. Now the VirtualBox installer wizard will start. Click on Next. Click on Yes and click on Install. It will ask for your permission, so click on Yes. And now it will start installing VirtualBox. So the installation of VirtualBox is complete. Click on Finish and it will launch the VirtualBox Manager. So this was all for this video. In the next video, I'll be going to show you how to run a virtual machine on VirtualBox. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.